Let's begin with a cleansing breath. Draw your breath into the upper dantian. Relax and release. Scan down the body. Let go of any extra tension or fatigue. Move into your Wuji standing. Listen into the ground with the bottom of your feet. Lengthen up through your bones. Long in the spine as if you were being pulled up by a thread. Relax and release excess tension in the muscles. Allow the body to float and sway. Stepping out a little wider, as if you were squeezing a big tree and stretching it up from the ground. Now let your arms expand like the branches of a tree. Grab with your fingertips and pull down. Breathe in as you expand up. Feel the energy flow up, through and out to your hands. Relax and sink down. Breathe out as you squat. Breathe in, expand. Breathe out and sink. Only sink as much as it feels comfortable to you. If you want to sink a little bit deeper, step out wider with your feet so that your toes and your knees keep good alignment. Your knees don't go out past the tips of your toes. As you lift and rise and sink, it feels comfortable. Coming back into center, reversing the flow now, rising like mist, clouds condensing, water falling through the center. This movement is called Waterfall. Breathing in, rising. Breathing out, sinking. Again, don't force yourself to go any deeper than you feel absolutely comfortable. Seek comfort in your movement. Over time, you'll be able to go deeper and deeper with no strain, no pain, lots of gain. Bring your feet back up to Wuji. Finish with a cleansing breath. Sense your structure. Begin shifting your weight. Breathing in, find your structure on your supporting leg. Sense from the bottom of the foot up through the top of the head. Lift the toes. Breathing out, transfer your weight. Breathing in, lengthen. Breathing out, sink and settle. Floating back and forth from side to side. Sense on the inside, feel the length from the bottom of your foot to the top of the head. Find that length on the in-breath, rising yang energy, sinking, releasing, relaxing yin energy flow across to the other side, rising and sinking. Move back to the center for cleansing. Begin shifting the weight, this time with the knees and toes out slightly. Shift the weight, and from the kneecap to the tips of the fingers, try to feel like you're pulling up a thread, so that when you shift the weight, you feel the thread lengthening through the spine, but also a second thread here lifting at the knee. Set it down, shift the weight, and lift. The most important thread to pay attention to is the thread that's lifting from the top of your head, because that's the thread that gives you balance. If you can also find a second thread, then lift the knee from that thread and press it back down again. Shifting the weight, lift, breathing in, press, breathing out. Lift, breathing in, press, breathing out. When you put your foot down, try your best not to fall down, but to place the foot deliberately where you want it to be. Then transfer the weight smoothly to the other side. Side to side, lifting and pressing. Let's move back to cleansing now. Releasing, relaxing, letting any tension or fatigue go that's in the body. This time, you're going to draw the knee up to the corner. You're going to bring it up to the corner and out, and then place it down. Again, control the movement as best you can. The first place you want to put your attention is on the lengthening from the top of the head. Feel that length. Then allow some attention to go here to this motion. This motion is not as important as your balance, though. The most important sense is the yin from yang on the support leg through the top of the head. Once you shift that weight, find that balance from the top of the head, then lift, open, press. Lift, open, press. Connect to the ground, draw up and open, and last one. Go back to cleansing. And now in the opposite direction, we'll shift the weight to the left and bringing up the right, lift and close. Sink and set the foot down. Again, lift and close. Sink and place the foot. Transfer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Shift, lift, close, touch down, place, and transfer. Shift, lift, close, touch down, place, and transfer. Move to the other side. Shift, lift, close, touch down, place, and transfer. Shift, lift, close, touch down, place, and transfer. Shift, lift, close, touch down, place, and transfer. Back to cleansing.